We're in Seattle, Washington, outside of Portage Bay. It's really busy in there right now. The room is fairly large. It's a lot of glass, hard floors, gypsum board. The kitchen is exposed. When it fills up like this, the sound gets really loud. Everyone tries to talk to each other. The sound builds slowly, and it reaches this threshold where everyone starts to talk louder to talk above each other, and then it just gets uncomfortably loud.
Well, when we built the restaurant, we didn't realize how noisy it was going to be with the music and the ceilings that are just concrete or whatever, and it's just one big box. It's a huge problem, and that's our big number one complaint here, is that it's just too noisy. The food's great, the service is great, but something's too noisy and they want to go someplace else. So if we could fix that, then the restaurant would be perfect.
Before, as servers, we'd have to, it's so loud that we have to lip read all the customers' lips, and it was hard to hear them and hard for them to hear us. I came in yesterday, and it was just like instant. Yeah, you could just hear everybody, and it's so nice. It's so nice.
This is a plot of reverberation time. You can see that we did test before and after, and the reverberation time was lowered by about 25%, which is just what we were looking for. Still kind of lively and much more even across the space.
I think it's unbelievable. I stood in the middle of the dining room yesterday, the place was full, and I called my partner Amy, and she goes, "It's too quiet." So we can carry on a conversation, people are enjoying it, all the staff loves it, and it's a noticeable difference. It's at least 50% down from what it used to be, and I would recommend this for anybody because it's fabulous if you have a noise problem. And nobody can ever accuse us of being too loud again.